Project Stumpy, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 built to our client's exact specification. Stumpy is finished in eggshell Borellis black with black accents all round. Stumpy sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features a 4-point roll cage, tubular front bumper with worn winch, E.C.D custom black steering guard and 2 work lights at the rear. Inside, Stumpy features a Momo Nero steering wheel with mole bomber gauges, 2 Corbeau trail cap front seats, and 2 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in the horizontal stitch Garrett pewter leather, finished in black. This D90 is powered by our LC9 engine, 340 horsepower, with 6-speed automatic transmission. Stumpy also features an array of modern conveniences such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, and access to USB ports throughout.